This AI can generate a speech from any text that you give. Not just that, you can choose your own localized accent. For example, you can have English, Spanish, African, Indian, Arabic, Chinese, Polish, French, Ukrainian. Let's give it a try. Let's put in Arabic and see how this same text the AI can generate for us. So I select Arabic, I press play.
This is a YouTube video.
Let's try the same sentence in a Spanish dialect.
This is a YouTube video.
Let's try the same thing with Afrikaans.
This is a YouTube video.
Let's do Chinese.
This is a YouTube video.
Now, for those who are interested in how this works, this is based on Google's text-to-speech conversion tool. When you press show code, you'll see that it's dependent on GTTS, which is nothing but Google text-to-speech. And here, you're taking the text and then you're passing it on to GTTS. But you can also choose what kind of local accent you want. So for that, there's a dictionary that's going to choose, that'll allow the user to choose what language they want. So you can come here, English for EN, ES for Spanish, HI for Hindi, and all these other languages. Well, if you have a language that you don't see here, let me know in the comments and we can add it. The next thing is, once the language is selected, you just come down to GTTS and allow the dictionary to choose the language that the user picked up. Normally, it'll be English by default, but if not, you can choose whatever language you want. And once it's done, it just displays it here, and you can just right click and save audio file so that you can download it on the computer. That's simple.